Hey everybody, welcome back. I was thinking about doing a little welding to warm it up in here. Got the heaters going, and it's going to take a little bit, but was showing you what I was going to do to get prepped and get ready, showing my materials and everything. All right, so here we go. I figured I got the basics covered. Get the propane tank, kerosene, combustibles, trash for the combustibles. So hopefully everything is congealed in one good area, so that way when hit the electricity, but I was really thinking could rig up the kerosene to superpower the welder. What do you think? What are you doing? Have you learned nothing? Oh, the welding gods are very, very disappointed in you. Son. Idiot. Idiot. What are you doing? Um, Everyone knows flux core welders use propane, not kerosene. For sure.
I got one I rigged up my mini bike, a solar panel, a wind chime, and 4 2x4s. My pappy said I'd never get it going, but I got it going. Well, yeah, I got it going. You want to borrow it? I mean, come on, I'll get it for you. It runs real good. I ain't, ever since they put my hands back on, I ain't had no trouble with it. What the hell? Come on.
Are you seriously considering that guy? At least get another opinion. Please, please, please. It's hopeless, hopeless, hopeless. Y'all, I'm not an idiot. Everybody knows that flux core welders run off of hopes, dreams, lint, and prayers. 12-volt battery, and it'll come to me. Potato peels, discarded, what are those things called? Blooming onions? Texas rose? The fried onion thing, those, but not the onion part, just the breading, a 9-volt battery, paper clip, and if you can afford it, a nickel. It's that simple. Really good people, throw corn husks in there. You won't believe what it'll do. Try it. Of course, I'm just kidding, y'all. I'm not stupid. I'm not going to do any of that. Everybody knows flux core welders run off of pure ethanol. It's hopeless, hopeless, hopeless.